to turn your text into eye-catching videos? In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to use Lumen 5 to create stunning AI-powered videos for YouTube, social media, or presentations. First, visit www.lumen5.com. Sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, click on New Video to begin your project. Lumen 5 makes it easy to get started, even if you're new to video creation. Next, choose a template that matches your style. Lumen 5 offers options like Explainer, social media, and business templates. Paste your script, blog post, or article into the platform. Lumen 5's AI will automatically turn your text into video scenes. For best results, keep your text short and clear for each slide. Now personalize your video. Change fonts and colors, add images or video clips from the built-in library, and select background music. You can upload your own voiceover or use the text-to-speech feature. For a branded touch, add your logo, watermark, and brand colors. Preview your video to check pacing and visuals. Make any needed edits. When you're satisfied, click Publish and download your video in MP4 format. That's it. You've created an AI-powered video with Lumen 5.